Hey there, you're welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you simple things that you can do in order for you to have your faceless channel. If you've been wondering how you can get a faceless channel, and probably the niche you want to go into is DIY, Bible storytelling channels, hymn channels, music channels that you don't get to show your face, then please stick to the end of this video because you definitely get the solution to what you are seeking and what you're looking for. Now, let's just get right into it. I'll be sharing with you how you can actually create long form content that you can use for a faceless channel. And when I say faceless, I mean you do not want to show your face. I'll be talking about three categories today. The first one is storybook channels, the next one is Bible reading channels, and the last one is DIY channels. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how you can get long form content, right? That read stories or tell Bible stories, or read a documentary. Many people are using this to monetize the channels. So all you need to do now is to go on either on your Google, right, to download an image that you're going to use, or you can go to ChatGPT to generate an image for you, or Meta AI, or Grok. Let me use Grok to generate an image. So I'm going to click on the ask option, not image now. I'll click on ask option, and I'm going to say generate an image that I can use to tell a Bible story about Daniel. About Daniel, right? So I'm going to give this. Let's wait for its response. So it's creating an image, right? It's creating an image. This is the image. Okay, this is an image. So let me go. I'm going to go ahead and redo this. I'll go ahead and redo this. What do I want to do? I want to include the fact that I want it to be in ratio 16:9, the standard YouTube long form ratio. So I'll click this. Let's see the response. As you can see, it has changed it again to this. It has changed this to this. Now, another thing that you can do, if let's assume that this particular, the very first one that it's generated, I still want to use that one, I can just go ahead and click on that image, download it, and give it back again, asking it to regenerate it in ratio 16:9. I don't know if you get that, but this is what I want now. So I'm going to click on this one that has no write up on it, and I'm going to click on download. Gotten right. Now I'm going to come here on ChatGTP. I'm going to come here on ChatGTP, and I'm going to ask Chat to give me give me a summary. Give me a summary about the character Daniel in the Bible. The character Daniel in the Bible. In the Bible. Generates a voice over script that I can use. Okay, voice over scripts. So I'll click on that and allow this to give me okay, this is it. So this is the voice over script that I was given to name. This is the voice over script, and this is what I need. This is what I need. So let me allow this to finish uploading. This is it. This is the version that it has given me. I can, if I want this to be longer, I asked for a summary, so this is why it's short. If I wanted this to be longer, I can just instruct ChatGPT to make the story probably a 5 minutes long story, right? Let me attempt this. So let the script be 5 to 6 minutes long. Right, let me say let the script be 5 to 6 minutes long. Here the 5 minutes. Okay, this is it. Okay, it's giving me a fresh script. This is going to be very easy and super fast. Very easy and super fast. When it's done, When this is done, all I need to do is to copy the scripts this voiceover has given to me, and I'm going to take it to CapCut. I'll be doing this from CapCut, right? That's the next phase. Now we can also go ahead and generate the voiceover using Lu Voice or 11 Labs. But for today's tutorial, I'll be generating the voiceover using just CapCut because I don't want to take so much of our time, and I'm trying to show us what is feasible, right? What is feasible, so that you don't give yourself excuses why you cannot do this. So I'm going to click on the beginning of the script, right? So I'll click on the beginning of the script. This is it. I'm going to say select. I don't select everything. I'm going to select, and I'll click on, I'll copy all. I'll click on copy. Then I'm going to head over to CapCut. Remember, from my last video, I showed us how we can still use InShot, but on today's video, I'm using CapCut. I'll click on that darnest picture, and I'll click on add, right? I'll click on add. Now this is it. As you can see, it's not so long. It's not so long. But the good thing about this, about using images, is the fact that you can extend it to any length. If this was a video, what you need to do is to duplicate it. But for a picture, right, you can extend it. Just hold the cursor and allow this to move. Let me just stop here at 2 minutes. Let's see what the voice, how long the voice over is going to be first, and see if I need to increase it. Now for my audio, I'm going to click on, I'm going to go here on where I have captions, right? And I'm going to click on auto captions, right? I'll click on auto captions. I'll click on enter captions rather. So I'll click here on captions and I'll click on enter captions. Now this box here, I'm going to go in and paste what I have copied, right? I'll paste what I have copied, and then as you can see right here, it has it's giving me options like how I can improve or expand the text or shorten it, extract from my video. I am not using any of those. I am not using any of those. I'll just click on okay. Now note again that on CapCut, the text has to be 3,000 words. Now I have 4,000, so it's in red. It's I won't be able to get this done. So let me shorten this and see if I can get okay. Let me shorten this. Let me shorten this. The caption I can generate at a time is 3,000 words, but this is more than 3,000, so it's already showing me the red sign. So I'm going to click, I'm going to cut this into two, right? I'll cut this into two. Let me cut this and see if it reduces. Okay, this is now 2,900. This works. So now I'm going to click on done. When I click on done, I have different options here to pick from, right? I have different options here to pick from. Some of them are paid and some of them are free. I have the paid CapCut, and that I can access any of the options. But for you who is using the free one, look for the one that is free and go ahead and use it. So I have Jane. Let's click on Jane and see how Jane sounds.
In the ancient world.
That's how Jane sounds. I'm going to now click on next. Is when I click on it, I'll say split automatically. I can still leave it at don't split because this is a static image. I'm not and it's not animated, so I did not like to try to ensure that it matches everything. It's a static image, so I'll just click on that and then allow this um to generate the voice over. When this is done, if I want to go ahead and do the second part, it's the same process. Click on enter caption, and then I'll go ahead and generate it. I think this is done. I'll click on next.
Shaken by war, captivity, and rising
Okay, this is it, right? So I have it right here. So if I want to change the font style of this, which I want to do, I'll click on style. I'll click on style, and um I'm going to pick one of the one of those ones that one of the right up style. Let me just still pick one so that we can be fast with this. Okay, I'll pick the first one, and then it's going to. The good thing about this particular generating voiceover is the fact that it generates. It doesn't just give you a voiceover; it also still gives you the written version of it, like you can see the write up on screen. And this is very good because this also increases your SEO. People who are watching or your videos, they have the opportunity to actually see what the story is about. Like they see the text of what the story is about. So this is it. This is a story right here. Let's see how long this got to. Okay, so as you can see, the write-up is the voiceover is still very long. So I'll click on the image and increase it, so I can still go ahead and change the font style, change the how I want the text to look like. I will do all that. But this is basically how to get long form content, right? Long form content that you can use for your faceless channels. You don't have an excuse. You really do not have an excuse. You don't have an excuse as to why you have not started up your channel. This does not have to be animated, right? Let's say I want this to even have motion, right? I want this to have motion and not be static. Now on the image, I'll click on the image, right? I'll click on the image and then I'm going to split it. Now here I have keyframe, I'll click on the keyframe sign, and you know I'm going to zoom this out, move the cursor a bit, click on keyframe again, and zoom this back. Now let's play that part. This is what it's going to look
Invaded.
like,
The
right?
city fell.
This is what it's going to
Families
look like. Now if I want to do this again, so that I know that people get bored when they watch a static image. So if I want this to really be moving, I need to split again, right, and repeat the same thing. If I don't want to use the keyframe option, here where I have animate, I'll click on animate, right, and I'm going to pick any of the animations. I need something that's okay. I'll click on this one. I hope this doesn't take time to upload.
into
Okay, this is
Babylon
done,
not as a
right?
prince.
So this is me creating,
Daniel. He walked into Babylon not as a prince.
right? This is me creating images that are static, but at the same time they have motions in them, so people don't get bored when they are watching the video, right? This is simply how to create a long form content using CapCut, Grok AI, and ChatGPT, right? You can go ahead and create stories like this. Create short stories. It could be about the Bible, it could be about history, it could be about your country, anything at all. Use it to create a faceless channel and watch yourself get monetized. Trust me, I'll be uploading this particular video. This is how to get yours done. If you want to add further ads and sounds, right, click on audio, click on extracts to get audios from your phone or from your video, click on sounds to get sounds from the CapCut app, or just play around this, right? But for me, I'll be ending it here. I'm not adding anything extra. This is it. So if I want this video to be longer, which I really do want it to be longer, right? I'm just going to go ahead and use Lou voiceover, to generate the complete voiceover. And if you want to know how to create voiceovers using the Lou voiceover option or 11 lab, just go ahead and hit the comment section, drop it in the comment section, and I'm going to be creating a video to explain that. I'm really hoping that you were able to get value, right? I'm also hoping that you can, do well to subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up, leave a comment if you're here to do that. And if you need further guide, I can be your guide. Let's just, see this playlist up here. Go ahead and click on it in order for you to have access to all of my videos. And where I talk about some other important things that you will need, like how to set up your YouTube channel, how to turn on some buttons and all of that. You need all of that for you to be able to have a successful YouTube journey. Thank you for watching. I'm hoping to see you in my next video. And don't forget that I'm rooting for you. For now, do have a blessed day. Bye.